This is at the Newberry Library.
Newberry Library, we've got
Rare black apples. This is actually really cool. I've never seen this before. Oh, that's a shame the bell doesn't work. Oh, this used to be Westinghouse. Maybe it still
indicators
is.
up there, but it doesn't work.
This might actually still be Westinghouse.
25 feet per minute. Okay, no door closed. Wow, must be that short.
Back down?
Sure.
It's weird. I've never seen those buttons.
Yeah, I think it only
before.
chimes when you hit a slide the floor up here.
Yeah.
98 plane. Alright.
Is there a fourth floor, or is that key switch for one? Because there's also a fourth floor on the indicator.
I think that's a key switch for a restricted floor or something. I don't know. Because
I don't know.
on the first floor, there's only down.
I'll see if I can get a video of the. Let's see here. Nice. And that's it.